Ramadan, precious moments of Ramadan.
Sayyidina Abu Sa'id Khudri radiallahu ta'ala narrates that Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, on the first night of Ramadan, the doors of the skies and paradise are open, and they remain open till the last night of this blessed month. So if anybody offers salah in any night of this month, Allah Azza wa Jal will reward him with 1,500 virtues for every sajda, every prostration that he makes. But not only that, Allah Azza wa Jal will make for him a palace of red rubies that will have 60,000 gates. The gates will have hinges of gold and will be embroidered with red rubies. Thus, the one who fasts on the first day of Ramadan will be forgiven his sins until the last day, and 70,000 angels will pray for his forgiveness from morning till evening. Each time he prostrates in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal, during the day or the night, Allah Azza wa Jal will grant him a tree in Jannah, and this tree is so huge that a horse rider can ride under its shadow for 500 years. Subhanallah. My dear Islamic brothers and viewers of Madani Channel, this is an amazing month. Let's not waste any moment of it. Make sure in this blessed month you protect your salah. Make sure that you read your tahajjud when you get up for sehri. Make sure that you read ishraq and chashit, and make sure with your maghrib salah you pray awwabin, and then try and spend as much time, as well as the tarawih prayers, as much time you can in the court of Allah Azza wa Jal, prostrating and earning these great rewards. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.